Hi, I'm Mike with Linkage Turf, and today we're going to go through the assembly of a WFR spreader. The first thing you'll need to do is to remove the extension from the wheel and tire assembly. The wheel and tire and extension assembly are shipped bolted together to save space in shipping. So the first step will be to remove the extension from the wheel and tire assembly. Second step will be to bolt the extension to the hub. And then the last step will be to assemble the wheel and tire assembly onto the extension. The next step is to remove the pins where the tongue assembly hooks to the mainframe. Once you've removed the pins, you install the tongue into the mainframe assembly and replace the pins. The final step in the process is to attach the transmission linkage to the tongue lever and the transmission. One common question we receive is, what hole do we put the transmission lever in? You put the transmission linkage in the middle hole of the tongue lever and in the middle hole of the transmission lever, and that is a good starting point for your machine. Now that your spreader is assembled, you're ready to go to work. If you have any questions or need any tech support, contact your local Linkage dealer or contact us directly at Linkage North America. And remember, at Linkage, we are your partner in turf care.